12 months ago, Marcus in Auckland was earning $65,000 a year and thought passive income was something rich people did. Today he's built $340 per month in passive income, and he's on track to hit $1,000 per month inside 9 years. The difference was one decision he made about where his money goes after tax. And that decision costs him nothing up front. Here's what most people don't realize about passive income. It's not complicated. It's not risky if you do it right. And you don't need to earn 6 figures to build it. But there's a formula. And if you follow it, you get $1,000 per month by year 9 or 10. If you don't follow it, you get 0. Let me show you the exact math. The average Australian household wastes $8,400 per year on discretionary spending that creates 0 future value. That's coffee, subscriptions, delivery apps, and stuff that's gone by Friday. Redirected, that's $700 per month that could be building your passive income instead. But here's where most people stop. They see $700 per month and think that's all they can do. That's the mistake. There are actually 5 cuts you can make right now that most people don't consider. And each one frees up real money. First cut. Subscription creep. The average Aussie has $156 per month in active subscriptions they forgot they had. Streaming, apps, fitness memberships, software trials that never got cancelled. Audit yours this week. You'll find $40 to $80 per month easily. Let's call it $50 per month you're keeping instead of burning. Second cut. Energy. If you switch to a better deal on electricity and gas, you save $180 to $240 per year minimum. That's $15 to $20 per month. Most people don't do this because it feels like effort. Do it once. $18 per month, locked in. Third cut. Insurance stacking. Car, home, pet, health. Most people pay full retail and don't shop around. Shop every 2 years. You save $40 to $60 per month on average. Let's say $45 per month. Fourth cut. Groceries. Not by eating less. By changing where and how. Meal planning saves $60 to $100 per month. One decision. Plan before you shop instead of buying what you see. $75 per month. Fifth cut. Transport. 1 less car ride per week via carpool. 1 less coffee run. 1 less delivery. That's $50 per month right there. So right there, without earning another dollar, you've freed up $238 per month. That's $50 plus $18 plus $45 plus $75 plus $50. But, and this is critical, that's not where your passive income comes from. Here's the part that changes everything. Once you've freed up that $238 per month, you need to add 3 income streams on top of it. And you need to add them fast. The first income stream is your salary. But here's how it actually works for passive income building. You take your first raise or bonus and redirect it entirely. The average Australian gets a 3% raise every 2 years. If you earn $65,000, that raise is $1,950 per year or $162 per month extra. You don't spend it. You invest it. That's $162 per month you're adding to your passive income engine instead of your lifestyle. Second income stream is the side income you're not yet doing. Not a side hustle that kills you. One that takes 5 to 8 hours per week and makes $300 to $500 per month. That could be freelance writing, virtual assistant work, tutoring, or selling items you already own. There are $300 per month sitting in skills you already have. Most people don't do this because they think passive income means no work. It doesn't at the start. It means smart work. So you're adding $300 per month from side income. Third income stream is what your money earns. And this is where the compounding happens. You take that $238 per month from cuts, plus the $162 per month from your redirected raise, plus the $300 per month from side income, and you put it into dividend-paying ASX stocks or index funds. That's $700 per month going in. Now watch what happens. The ASX 200 dividend yield averages 4.1%. When you reinvest those dividends, you're not just earning 4.1% on your initial investment. You're earning 4.1% on your original money plus all the dividends you've already earned. That's compound growth. $700 per month into a dividend portfolio at 4.1% yield, reinvested monthly, compounds like this. By month 1, you have $700. No dividends yet. By month 12, you have $8,472 and earned $186 in dividends that are reinvested. You keep that $186. By year 2, you have $17,890 and you're earning $61 per month in passive dividends. By year 5, you have $48,600 and you're earning $165 per month in passive dividends. By year 7, you have $75,400 and you're earning $257 per month in passive dividends. By year 9, you have $110,800 and you're earning $378 per month in passive dividends. And here's where it clicks. At year 9, Your passive income hits $378 per month. You still have your side income of $300 per month. That's $678 per month in passive plus semi-passive income. You're close, but your dividend-paying portfolio is still growing. By year 10, you hit $128,400 in total savings, and your monthly dividend income alone is $437 per month. Add the $300 from your side income if you keep doing it. That's $737 per month in actual passive income. But wait, by year 10, you might have gotten another raise. You might have redirected another $200 per month, and that extra goes into the same portfolio. When you do that, you hit the $1,000 per month mark inside 9 to 10 years. Let me show you the net monthly improvement from the start. You freed up $238 from cuts. You're adding $162 from a redirected raise. You're making $300 from side income. You're earning $378 in passive dividends by year 9. That's $238 plus $162 plus $300 plus $378. That's $1,078 per month in additional monthly cash flow. Compared to where you started, you've just created $1,078 per month in extra money every single month for life. And that number grows every year. Now here's the 90-day snowball effect that makes this real. You start making these 5 cuts this week. Boom. $238 per month freed up immediately. You commit to redirecting your next raise. That happens automatically. You launch a side income project in week 2. By week 12, you've redirected $700 into dividend stocks for the first time. 90 days later, you have $2,100 in a dividend portfolio working for you. Not much yet, but it's real. And every single month, $700 more goes in. And every month, the dividends compound. By month 6, you have $4,350 and you've earned $89 in dividends. By month 12, you have $8,640 and you're earning $29 per month in pure passive dividends. That's a 90-day snowball. In 3 months, you go from $0 to $2,100 with momentum that accelerates. Here's what you do right now. Audit your subscriptions today. That saves $50 per month immediately. Shop your insurance this week. That's $45 per month locked in. Plan your meals this Sunday before the shops. That's $75 per month starting next week. Carpool or walk once per week instead of driving. That's $50 per month from this Friday. You've just freed up $220 per month without touching your salary. Then commit. The next raise you get, it goes to your dividend portfolio. The next 5 hours per week you can find, you monetize it. That's your side income producing $300 per month. And then you do the hard thing. You don't touch it. You watch it compound. $700 per month for 10 years. If you do this, you hit $1,000 per month in passive income inside 10 years starting from absolutely nothing. That's the formula. The math works. The question is whether you'll stick to it. Your move.